Okay, so after I'm done with Gordon, I'm gonna do Henry, and then I'm gonna end the behind the scenes video right here and just continue doing the rest of it without the camera. So I don't want to show you guys the rest of it. I'm gonna show you guys some of it, but not all of it. Okay. Okay, I got Gordon. All right. So let's get Gordon. Okay. Now he's gonna be in shock when he figures out that if Diesel 10 finds a lost engine, they're gonna be destroyed. But what the? There we go. It's too small. There we go. And J, yeah, JPEG. My sometimes my mind like pauses for a second. Now, just um, oh yeah, and he's also gonna say, "Oh, the indignity." So I'm gonna give him like these sad eyebrows. Uh, they look a little too big. So let's. Oh my! Oh my gosh! Ooh, it, the lags. Sometimes I get ticked. Usually, I get ticked. Sometimes, like not like this, but like really ticked off. But I'm gonna be cool. There we go. And now we can do Henry. Is it saved? There we go. Okay, delete that. Alright, now for Henry. Henry's runny nose. Shrink it a little bit. And let's see how it looks. Looks good. Alright, so now Henry's and his runny nose picture is done. And I'm gonna end the behind the scenes video right here. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you all of it. I'm gonna show you some of it. And I might do another behind the scenes video when I do my next remake. So hope you all have a good day and be really useful.